Now beta we will start the blood vessels. There are three type of blood vessels: arteries, veins and capillaries. So these red colors are arteries which carry oxygen rich blood. These blue color or greenish vessels are known as the veins which carry the carbon dioxide rich air, and in between they have the capillaries. So in these vessels beta, blood always passes in a continuous path from heart to the artery, artery to the capillary, capillary to the vein and vein back to the heart. From heart oxygen rich blood, then arteries gives to the capillaries, capillaries goes inside the tissues, and afterwards they carry the carbon dioxide rich blood, and these blood carries from the veins to the heart. Next, these blood vessels of varying thickness that we will discuss later on. Arteries carry oxygen rich blood from the heart and then branch into smaller arteries. On reaching the tissue, they branch out further and form the capillaries. Through the capillaries, tissue take in oxygen. Simultaneously, the tissue give out carbon dioxide which enter the capillaries. This capillary carrying carbon dioxide join to form the vein which carry the carbon dioxide rich blood to the heart. So now we will compare arteries, veins and capillaries. Beta, arteries are thick elastic wall, veins are thin elastic walls and capillaries are extremely thin. In arteries, blood flow with pressure. In veins, blood flow is slow with low pressure. And in capillaries, blood flow is extremely slow. Arteries carry blood away from the heart to the body organs, from heart to the body organs. Veins collect blood from the organs and carry it forward the heart, means from organ to the heart, and capillaries are in between. They form a network of very thin tubes in between arteries and vein and in the organs and the tissue. Beta, arteries carry oxygen rich blood from heart to all parts of the body except the pulmonary artery which carry carbon dioxide rich blood. Veins carry carbon dioxide rich blood from all parts of the body to heart except pulmonary vein which carry oxygen rich blood. Capillaries allow exchange of substance through their thin wall. Arteries do not have valves. Veins have valve which allow blood to flow only towards the heart, and capillaries they do not have any valve. Then beta, pulmonary vein and pulmonary artery. Pulmonary vein is the only vein which carry oxygen rich blood and it bring blood from lung to the heart. And pulmonary artery is the only artery that carry carbon dioxide rich blood and it take blood from heart to the lungs. So you have to learn this differentiation also. Next, come to the test yourself. Red blood cells, hemoglobin, white blood cells, protection from diseases, arteries, inhalation means the oxygen rich air comes through the arteries, and blood platelets, clotting. So you have to learn this.